this video, I will share 5 common mistakes for digital marketers. If you are just starting the marketing journey, I suggest watching this video as a reminder to yourself so you will not make the same mistakes. Let's get started now. The first mistake is overthinking. The world is not perfect and there is no perfect digital marketing campaign. If you still believe there are no proven formula to execute a promised high return, let me burst the bubble and tell you there's none. We are always constantly changing and overthinking kills efficiency and momentum. Just remember what Nike says, just do it. The second mistake is spending too much time on content creation. Content is king, but marketing is queen and runs the household. You can have the best content in the world, but if nobody knows about that, your effort is wasted. Content creation is just the beginning part of content marketing strategies. Promotion and amplification should be your primary focus. The third mistake is weak execution. Now is the time of fast fish eat slow fish. Don't be lazy, slow, and procrastinate for the tasks that you hate or not familiar with. Even worse, become too focused on tasks that bring low conversion because it's easy. Still no idea how to prioritize your tasks? What about labeling all your tasks using this metric? Sit down, have a meeting with your team to find the equilibrium to have higher returns for your execution. The fourth mistake is not updated. The digital marketing industry is booming. New methods are invented and innovated every single day. Do you explore the technology or tools that are able to simplify your workflow? Are you aware of the new feature in social media that may benefit your business? Nothing changes if nothing changes. That's the fun in the digital marketing world. The fifth mistake is weak tracking or even no tracking at all. Apart from install the basic Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel or tracking script to your website, do you really understand what the metrics mean anything to your marketing campaign? Learn the basic of analytics as it will help the decision making of your paid campaign. Without data, you're just another person with an opinion. Okay, that's all for the sharing about the common mistake for digital marketer. Forget the mistake, remember the lesson. Learning is a constant process of discovery, a process without end. Thanks for watching and see you again. Remember to comment and share this video.